Thursday, April the 3rd, 2008, has me posting anachronism number 671. The bird feeder over the waterfall, burbling brook, arrayed with tiny yellow finches. Finches? Some cats swoop in to check out the waterfall, babbling burbles and all of that. Apparently something's in there. Nobody knows what but the cats. Reach over for an organic walnut. That's me. What's going on? Well, George Stanley. Saying he'll send me a copy of his chapbook. That's fab. Television's not, though. Watch Enterprise, West Wing, South Park. Well, maybe. Primetime Glick. All down the lackluster tube. No more TV for a few years, I say. Maybe invest in some books or yoga. Netflix? Sunscreen? SPF 30 at least.